Hello everyone. Today, we're introducing the COOCHEER 330 lb folding hand truck. A heavy-duty carrying solution perfect for all your moving needs. This versatile dolly is crafted from durable aluminum alloy and plastic, allowing it to handle up to 330 pounds on 4 wheels and 220 pounds on 2 wheels. Equipped with 5-inch solid rubber flat-free tires, it ensures maximum stability, smooth rolling, and noise-free operation. Its compact design folds down to just 25.03 by 18.03 by 4.6 inches, making it easy to store in your car trunk. The upgraded hand truck features a thickened nylon wheel frame and reinforced internal springs to reduce unnecessary bounce, while the use of cast iron technology at the joints adds extra durability. With its quick conversion capability, this multifunctional cart easily switches between a 4-wheel and a 2-wheel configuration in seconds, making it ideal for various scenarios. Whether you're moving heavy boxes or luggage, the COOCHEER hand truck is your reliable partner for a hassle-free experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.